Well, hello, and it is the Christmas season. And guess what? We're going to celebrate by taking part in the Christmas breakfast collaboration. I'll tell you more about that later. But for my Christmas morning breakfast, I'm going to be making gingerbread waffles with a lemon drizzle. Yes! I'm going to start by getting the lemon drizzle prepared in a pan. Add 3/4 cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and mix together. Add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 3/4 cup of water, and 2 egg yolks. Stir continuously on a medium heat until thickened. Once it thickens, you can take it off the heat. Add a teaspoon of lemon extract. For the waffles, let's start with 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a tablespoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of ginger, half teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of cloves, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and mix together. In a separate container, I need a 1/2 cup of melted butter. Add a teaspoon of vanilla, 2 slightly beaten eggs, 1 3/4 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of molasses. Stir to combine. Stir the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients until just moistened. Let's make some waffles. We've got a waffle. Put a little lemon drizzle on top. Gingerbread waffles with lemon drizzle. Oh my goodness! I love that lemon drizzle. It's kind of like a lemon curd, and it goes perfect with these gingerbread waffles. Merry Christmas! What a wonderful breakfast. This video is part of a collaboration hosted by I'm Merely Melissa and Living Life with Christy. And there's even more people involved in this Christmas breakfast collaboration. Check my description and you'll find a playlist to see more videos. Thank you so much for watching Jim's Kitchen. I'll see you next time. Jingle jangle! Which singer is everybody dancing to in the North Pole? Beyonce.